Hello again. This is 4.5 in Signing Naturally, starting on page 188. We're talking about ranking. The examples they're giving here is when you're talking about yourself and your siblings. If you're an only child, you would just do only, like that. It's the index finger circling around only. And I think as they're showing it in the book, she's coming around and just coming only like that. Only like that is fine, only. If you have one sibling, that means together there's two of you. So you could use two fingers to say that I'm always, when you're doing the ranking, we're going from age, from the firstborn, the oldest, to the lastborn, the youngest, coming down your hand. And if you've got more than 4 siblings or total of 5 brothers and sisters, more than that, then we're coming down to 6, 7, 8. I'll show you how to do that later. But so if you're talking about yourself and another sibling, there's just 2 of you, a brother and sister in the family, or brother, sister, whatever, one sibling. So you just introduce yourself, just say, I'm the oldest. So we're coming down with age like that, and then up with your thumb up. That is just the modification of the word old, oldest. And if you're the youngest, you would do youngest. So this is young. Your 5 hands like that, or your modified 5 hands like that. It's something like half, but it's with your hands crooked like that. Youngest up like that, touching your fingertips on your chest, and youngest to show youngest. Let's see. If there's 3 of you all together, you're going to use your 3 hand, obviously, with your palm facing in, the back of your hand facing out, and you're going to introduce where you fit into the mix, into the siblings there, whether you are, okay, I have an older brother, I'm the middle child, and I have a younger sister. So that's 3. 4, same idea. 4 that was 3 siblings, 3 altogether. Okay, so we're doing 3 siblings, 4 altogether. There's your 4 hand. And again, you're going to do the same thing. Show where you fit into this. Obviously, you're one of the 4. So are you the oldest, the second oldest, the third oldest, or the youngest? And sometimes for youngest, you can do last. So last. I'm youngest, last. Pinky fingers, one pinky finger dominant hits the other pinky finger passive. If there are 5 of you all together, same deal. Coming down to 6. So if there's 5 siblings and 6 with you included, depending on where you are in here, you could say, I have 6. You could introduce the little 6th right there as a 6th finger, and you'll introduce, like, this is my older brother, da-da-da-da-da-da, and me, I'm last. I'm 6th. 6th. That's an ordinal number, 6th as in with ranking. So the number 6, 6th. So you're taking your 6th hand and you're twisting it out like that. So 6th. Likewise for 7, 7th, 8th, and 9th. 10th, we don't really use the ordinal number for 10, so we just do 10th as a list, 10. But I think that explains what you need to know about ranking. Let me review and see if there's any vocabulary I want to go over with you. Okay, for you two, as in this person and this person there, or you, another person, I would use you two. So you've got your kind of like your K hand, or your K hand like that, or your P hand, whatever, and you're just motioning it towards the people you're talking about. And if you set up somebody in space that's not there, they are one of the two people. So, or I could be talking about Joe and Sam, and Joe and Sam aren't here, and I would say those two, like that. I went off screen, sorry about that. As opposed to us two, where you are speaking and you're one of the people you're talking about, I would go us two, us two. So again, your K hand, but the one finger comes towards you, the other finger points the other person. So you're going back and forth, us two, us two. Interesting, new sign. Remember, this is like your feeling finger and pinching with your thumb. With interesting, it's a double. So you're taking your dominant over top of your passive hand, and you're going here and here, and you're grabbing your shirt or your blouse, t-shirt, whatever, and with your with your middle finger and your thumb, you're bringing them together, and you're taking them out like that. So it's like, it's interesting, interesting, interesting. So again, dominant hand goes above the passive, and you're taking your fingers, your thumb and your middle finger, and together at the same time, and you're bringing them together, pinching your shirt, and just bringing your hands away like that. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Again, facial grammar. Be close to, we've done this before, near, close to, like we're both close, we're both close. So-so, remember so-so? So-so, so-so. Oldest, did that. Youngest, youngest, or last. Brother, sister, we've done that already, and I've done 6th, 7th, 8th, and then none. Again, they're using that in this subunit, 4.45, excuse me. Okay, that's it. Thanks.